Hi, everybody. Mike here, and today we're going to be talking about creating a course in Performance Matters. Right now, I'm impersonating Tim Anderson, which is pretty hard to do. I don't have the beard anymore, but I'll do my best here. And the reason I'm impersonating Tim is so that you can see what it looks like at the office administrator type level, which would be the role that most of you will be utilizing. So the first thing you're going to do if you want to create a new learning opportunity for your staff is you're going to go to the administration tab at the top, and you'll see that one of your choices is to do course administration. So we click there. On the course administration page, you can do searches for learning opportunities. You can manage learning opportunities, but here we have the option of creating a new learning opportunity, and that's what we'll be doing today. So you click on Create New Opportunity, and it gives you the option of what type of course you want to create. It's probably going to be the majority of the courses that you create, but you may also set up this for PLCs, and so it would be a PLC learning opportunity. The self-paced, right now I'd probably recommend not using that, because even if a course is in Schoology and we're embedding and linking it to Performance Matters, it turns out that we're using it as an instructor-led course in those instances. And so for the most part, you're going to be doing instructor-led or PLC. So I'm going to choose instructor-led. And the one thing to understand in Performance Matters is that there's a course of content and opportunities for learning. And then there's sections of that course. So you could have multiple sections of a learning opportunity. And each
It's
of those
extremely important to note that for courses, any course that has a required area has to be at the course level. So you can't have a course called staff meetings and one staff meeting meets suicide prevention and one staff meeting meets reading preparation. You have to create separate courses for any required area. That's a key component to this. So the required areas cannot be met at the section level. They have to be met at the course level.
I'm going to create a sample Southview course. That is a required field. You can add a course description. I'm not going to do that now. Notice that the office is set to Southview Middle School, and that's the only choice that Tim has right now. So what that means is that if you're offering something that you want to open up to people outside of your building, you'd probably want to submit the request or send the information to Connie, and she can create that course at the district teaching and learning level, and then everyone would see it. In this instance, because we're only at the Southview office, only Southview people are going to necessarily see this offering. The course provider would be if it was a course that was actually being run through Schoology. So you could actually have people enroll in Performance Matters, and it would automatically put them into a Schoology course if you wanted. In this case, we're not going to do that. Down here, you're going to specify your hours and CEUs. Maybe I'm going to check staff development in service, and it's 1 hour, and make 1 credit and 1 hour. So we're going to put that information in there. Make sure you have both of those fields chosen. And then we'll come down if you need any notes. If there were a course survey, and we're working on setting up that, we'll be talking about that, I believe, tonight. You can allow people to enroll in multiple sections of the course. If it's something that they're going to do one time and be done, you wouldn't check this box. But again, like if it's an ongoing staff meeting where they can enroll in multiple sections, you would want to check that. And then once you've got that everything figured out, you'll create the instructor-led course. So that's step one of actually creating the course. Now, the next thing you can do is set locations of availability, required demographics. You could require it of everyone at Southview, for example, recommended, restricted, and then course tags. And the course tags allow you to set some of the requirements, and this is a place where you can have that show up. So maybe I'm doing something on mental health, and I would check that box. Subjects could be checked or not, and then I'd save that, and then it would alert people that, oh, this would cover the requirement of mental health. And then I come down here and I'm done with getting the course created.